Hi everybody, welcome to a new video in the Commodore 64 Cartridge Dumping series. As you can see, I've got the PCBs for the prototypes, so I've assembled one. I had to do a bit of patching as well, and I've got test ROM and a development cartridge board, sort of. So the device is connected to my PC with the USB cable, and I'll be running the scenario I was showing the other day, which consists in dumping the cartridge contents, converting the binary file to CRT with cartconf, and then running the CRT in Vice, the Commodore 64 emulator. Before I do that, let's have a look at the Lua script that is used for standard cartridges, whether they are 8 or 16 kilobytes, normal or Ultimax. The Lua script has got access to the state of the XROM and game lines, which are read up front before the script is executed. And the rest is really about manipulating the ROM low and ROM high lines, and then dumping the contents of the ROM. Let's see how it goes. Right, so this is the test ROM, dumped, converted, and running in Vice. That was the sound chip test. This seems to be the big test. And then everything repeats. So again, this is still early stages, but part of the features will be the ability to dump more complex cartridges, such as Ocean cartridges, the Easy Flash, and so on and so forth. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!